we're making a song in the style of TV Girl, a band that makes hypnotic pop music about the sad girl archetype from the perspective of a male manipulator.
Step 1. Samples.
The first thing you're gonna need is to find a main sample that you can build the rest of the song around. So go crate digging for records between the 1960s and 1980s that have some kind of a sunshine pop or soul vibe.
That's the one. That's the one right there.
When you find a sample that you like, you're gonna need to give it that hypnotic vibe. How do you do that? You just loop it. Now that you have your main sample loop, let's start adding in some bass to fill in that low end. Then we're going to fill in those mids by playing some cellos that kind of mimic the vibe that the sample has. And then lastly, you're going to need an old-timey line of dialogue of a girl from TV.
Fühlst du mein Herz schlagen, Geliebter?
Okay, I like that.
Fühlst du mein Herz schlagen, Geliebter?
And now, when we put all of these elements together, you basically have a catchy, hypnotic, addictive loop, and it's basically your whole entire song almost.
Fühlst du mein Herz schlagen, Geliebter? Fühlst du mein Herz schlagen, Geliebter?
Pop quiz time. What is the song missing? That's right, it's the drums. Good answer. Now, if you find a good drum sample from a vinyl record, then that's great. Use that. But if you don't, like me, then just make them yourself. It's easier.
Step 2. Structure.
TV Girl is a pop band, which means they follow a pop song structure, also known as a song form, where A is the first section that we hear, our chorus,
Fühlst du mein Herz schlagen, Geliebter?
and B is the next section that we hear, our verse. The chorus is our main loop, and the verse is going to be a trimmed down version of the music. We repeat this over and over, and that's how you get a pop song structure.
Step 3. Lyrics.
Now for the lyrical content. You want to get some sad girl tropes.
Sleeps in late.
Now you really have to picture this little lady. Maybe it's a past relationship or someone that you lived with.
Doesn't clean dishes. Barely eats.
And then once you have enough sad girl tropes, you're gonna want to project your own feelings into what she might be feeling. And after enough trial and error, you're gonna find the right words to put into a musical format. Now, when it comes to recording the vocals, TV Girl likes to sing in a dry and deadpan delivery. One take being low,
Maybe she's just a little lonely.
and the other take being also low but then pitched up by an entire octave.
Maybe she's just a little lonely.
Pan one take to the right, keep one central, and then another one to the left.
Maybe she's just a little lonely. We all want to be pet.
Congratulations, you've written an entire TV Girl song and now you're ready to become super famous on TikTok. Anyways, here's the full song.
Fühlst du mein Herz schlagen, Geliebter? Fühlst du mein Herz schlagen, Geliebter? Fühlst du mein Herz schlagen, Geliebter? Fühlst du mein Herz schlagen, Geliebter?
I wonder how much can she sleep in a given day. And when she wakes up late, I wonder if she's okay. Maybe she's just a little lonely. We all want to be pet. We all want to be chosen like the day when we first
Fühlst du
met.
mein Herz schlagen,